For many people, when they hear the word salt water, it brings up fond memories of summer vacations with family and friends at the beach, playing along the shoreline with the sounds of waves and screeching seagulls roaring in their ears. But for others, especially some farmers in the coastal tidewater regions of North Carolina, those words can conjure up images of stunted crops, low yields, and or abandoned farmland. Saltwater intrusion has become a nemesis for some growers in the coastal regions of the United States. My name is Al Wood, Extension Agent for the Pasquotank County Center of the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. Saltwater intrusion is the mixing of salt water with fresh water that can occur in either surface water or groundwater, as well as salt water moving across land surfaces to impact soils and the groundwater table. Saltwater intrusion is an issue for some growers in the lowest elevation coastal lands of the Tidewater region of North Carolina. Based on a conversation with J. Paul Lilly, retired extension soil specialist with NC State, he said, as long as people have been farming in these low elevation areas, saltwater intrusion has been negatively impacting farmland. In 2014, saltwater intrusion was identified in Pasquotank County and since then, Camden and Pasquotank counties. In 2018, the saltwater intrusion team, comprised of landowners and farmers, extension agent and specialists from North Carolina State University, and researchers from the Geology Department of East Carolina University, as well as a representative of the local Soil and Water Conservation District, was formed to investigate this issue. Study sites were established on agricultural lands in Camden, Hyde, and Pasquotank counties. In August of 2021, a program open to the public was conducted by the saltwater intrusion team to share what was currently known about the situation. To share what was presented during this meeting, recording of the presentations are provided here. To get a complete picture of the situation in Northeast North Carolina, I would suggest viewers watch them in the order shown here, but each presentation is able to stand on its own. The first presentation, the issue identified, saltwater intrusion of ag land in Pasquotank and Camden counties, by Al Wood, Extension Agent of the Pasquotank Extension Center, provides a timeline of how the problem was identified and the extent of the problem in Pasquotank and Camden counties. Use the link shown to view it. The second presentation, the dynamics of saltwater intrusion in Pasquotank and Camden County, data from well sites by Dr. Alex Manda and Dr. Stephen Moisey of the East Carolina University Geology Department, provides data collected at the study sites. Use the following links to view their presentations. The third presentation, elevation data of Camden and Pasquotank sites by Dr. Chad Poole, Extension Water Resilience Specialist, NC State University Biological and Agriculture Engineering Department, provides elevation data and how it is related to saltwater intrusion. Use the following link to view it. The fourth presentation, how to identify sites impacted by saltwater intrusion, by Dr. Luke Gattiboni, Extension Soil Fertility Specialist and Assistant Professor of North Carolina State University Crop and Soil Science Department, shows how soil test reports and visual observations can be used to help determine if saltwater intrusion is a problem at a site. Use the following link to view it. The last presentation, what are the options for ag lands impacted by saltwater intrusion, by Dr. Chad Poole, provides information on crops that may be grown and remediation of farmland affected by saltwater intrusion, as well as other land use options. Use the following link to view it. The saltwater intrusion team hopes that you find this information useful, especially if you are impacted by or suspect that you are affected by saltwater intrusion on agricultural lands. Here is their information.